Hi, in the last lessons we learned about how to create a bubble map. In this lesson we are going to create field maps. Let us come back to our studio. So these field maps are basically the location map. Instead of having circles or the bubbles that we have seen in the last lessons, it will fill the color with the location that we select. So what we can create? So we can add a chart here. We have certain options like add a chart here. This is bubble map and this is field map. Else what we can do, we can copy this. Okay, we will compare how does it look. So we can copy this and see how these are different. So we have this, we have just copied it. Okay, so we what we can do, we have one options here that this is the geo bubble chart that we have duplicated here. We can simply turn this into a field map. We can turn it, so this will appear exactly. Okay, so that means this is the amount of cells, this is the country wise amount of cells. Instead of bubbles or circles here that we have seen in the past map, and here we have the field map, means that deeper the color, the higher the cells, and the lighter the color, lesser the cells. We have seen this is France is having more cells. Here is also France is having more cells. Similarly, if you see the small Portugal is having lesser cells, 15,106. So these are the nations accordingly. This is so we can also see this. We can convert the same options are available here on the styles. So we can convert this into satellite, and if we want to see roads, landmark, labels, we can see all these things. Okay, so then we can have also like a layer field area, you see. So here the option earlier we had bubbles, now it is field area. So we can easily also convert these field areas into bubbles. Okay, so these are the options, the same options are available with this. So this is the field layer, area layers, and this border color, we have selected the border color. So this is the orange color we have selected. We can change it to, suppose we want to change it to blue, so it will be blue, no problem. So this is, then this is the that we can see the mid color, mid different colors. Suppose we want to see like the maximum color, medium color. Let us see how is it happening. So this will appear like this. Okay, and also this is called minimum color. Okay, so suppose we want the multiple colors options, it will, we can use this options. Similarly, we can have like this, these are the things. So this plus minus the option or button is gone, so we need it. Then so zoom control is here. So suppose, so this will remove. So then we need it. So all these things are needed, not required. Then if you want to, that like color legends like will be at the bottom, this is the bottom, this is at the bottom color legend. If we want to take it to the top, we can always select top or left, right, whatever we want to, we can take. This is the font color, this is a compact number, all these things we have seen. So that's for the lessons. Thank you very much.